I got a repair on a reversing light camera on a 22 Golf. The problem we're having, which is something that we see quite a lot of, you go to select reverse and all you get is the blue screen. So the thing that I've found on this one, it's probably going to happen to others. Open your tailgate, remove the black plastic panel. There's a couple of screws and clips holding it on. Be gentle, don't just rip it off, they've got a habit of splitting. So remove that. Here's the back of your badge, which also serves as the tailgate latch handle, and also it has the reverse camera built into it. So what we're looking at are these cables here. So just make sure that they're not damaged anywhere, specifically at the top here. Give them a little gentle tug, and sure enough, this one here, in this case it's the red one, but they're all very small, could easily break. So that could be your problem. That's what I found on this one. Hope it helps.